The recipe is from a 13th century cookbook. Today we're going to show you how to make these ancient Mesopotamian stuffed cookies. And here they are. The recipe is from a 13th century cookbook. You're going to use 3 cups of pitted dates, 2 cups of walnuts, 2 eggs. You use the egg white here in the mix, and then you save the egg yolk for later. 1 cup of plain yogurt. 14 tablespoons of butter if you're using all-purpose flour. 16 tablespoons of butter if you're using freshly milled flour. Four teaspoons of ground cardamom, 4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 pinches of salt, wash the top with your egg yolk. Bake at 390 degrees for 15 minutes or until golden brown. Let's try one. It's very delicious, and you can see the stuffed dates inside. And this to me is kind of like the prelude to the Pop-Tart. That's what it reminds me of. It's super delicious, it's healthy. We used the fresh milled wheat with this, and there's no sugar. So you can feel good about eating these. The dates are naturally so sweet that you don't even need sugar. So you don't feel like you're compromising anything. We got another gift from one of our viewers from the Jeff Mara podcast channel. Let's show you guys what we got. It says it's a jute rug 2x3 area rug pack of 2. It says it is from Nigel Skeet. Enjoy your gift from Nigel Skeet. Nigel, thank you very much for this. We really appreciate it. So let's check it out. It says made in India. It's reversible. Phantom Bamboo Collection. Thank you very much, Nigel. We really appreciate it. Look at this, sweet corn ice cream sandwich.
It's ice cream inside of a pastry shell.
Wow. Sweet corn ice cream sandwich. This right here looks amazing. It's like a strawberry flavored ice cream. Looks like a strawberry. Here's a mango ice cream that's shaped like a mango. Peach ice cream. So cool. Ice cream matcha flavor. We went to this store called Teso Life. It's an Asian department store. And we got these fruit frozen bars. I think that's what they're calling them. Fruit frozen bars?
It's not ice cream.
Well, I guess it's ice cream, but I think they call it a frozen bar, technically. Anyways, they look beautiful. They look amazing. I don't know how they taste, but they look really amazing. And the flavors we got are, and this one's pretty obvious, strawberry. This is peach. And this is mango. So let's try them. Which one do we want to try first? Someone inside said that they're messy, so we have to be careful. Oh, okay, this is the way you peel them. All right, well, here's what it looks like. It looks really cool.
It's hard.
Yeah. It's very cool. It's delicious. It's kind of got like a hard outside to make it look beautiful, and then it's like ice cream in the inside. Very good. So you want to try it?
Try.
And it's got a stick in the middle. I don't know how healthy it is, but it is delicious. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like an ice cream sandwich. Next is the peach. And the nice thing about the strawberry one is that it wasn't too sweet. Not sure how to get this apart without making a big mess. I wonder if you're supposed to eat it with this so you can shield your hand from getting dirty. So here's the peach. The ice cream inside of this is softer, which is nice. But there's something about it that also tastes a little bit fake.
I like peach better.
You like the peach better? I like how soft it is. So the inside is vanilla ice cream. The outside is the peach flavor. And maybe it tastes kind of like concentrated peach.
Outside is like mochi.
Yeah. The outside's kind of like the mochi texture. All right. And last we've got mango, and it says full of happiness. Mango propitious, I think. Anyways, let's open it up. Oh, that one was easier. All right, I'm pretty sure this is going to be like the peach one, whereas you have this kind of rice outer covering with the soft ice cream on the inside. So let's try it. I don't think I like this one. It doesn't taste that much mango to me. I wouldn't buy this one again, definitely. So you might not want to eat the bottom. It's a hard call because I like the strawberry flavor. For flavor, the strawberry is the best. For texture, I like the peach the best because I like the soft ice cream on the inside. Or the strawberry. What?
I like the peach.
All right, it's 9 o'clock. Actually, it's 9:04. I'm running late, but today is Mika's spa treatment. She's gonna go, she's gonna get her hair cut, and she's gonna become even more beautiful than she is right now. She knows though, she's already shaking, and she shouldn't be because they're kind to her here and they treat her well. But let's go, Mika. Let's go get your spa treatment and then we'll be back to pick you up later. They have all these delicious treats here. Hello. Mika just got back from her spa treatment and she looks so beautiful. Mika, how did your spa treatment go today? Did you like it? You look so beautiful, Mika. Mika! She looks amazing.
Hello, girls.
She's not scared.
No.
Look at the way their fur is. See, it's like not smooth anymore.
Yeah.
I think they're shedding now for the summer.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
She looks the biggest. Maybe she's not afraid.
Yeah.
She's zooming in on her.
Good girl.